All right, we're vlogging. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, y'all. It is May 28th. 18th is 28th, Wednesday, and we are going on a trip in my favorite rocket ship to the sky, little Azine. So we're going on a little road trip to South Carolina. So excited, and you'll get some surprises there. So welcome to our channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. To all my loyal subscribers and viewers, hey you guys, hey fam. All right, let's get to getting. All right, so before we get too far into this video, this is a collab with my very good friend for over 20 years, Beauty by Maine, the Beauty Maine, in Instagram and on YouTube. So if you could please just go ahead over to her channel and subscribe and like and just look at some of her videos. She has a lot of makeup videos and she is gorgeous, y'all.
You by my side.
I'm gonna be don't put it to both of y'all because what I'm doing is I'm giving lessons / helping you do them.
So we're doing it ourselves?
Yeah, and I'm gonna help you do it as well. Like, it's like a 2-for-1.
So we're doing our own makeup, and you're telling us what to do as we do it.
And I'm giving you pointers, and then whenever you mess up, or I'll fix it up. You gotta learn. That's how you learn. It's like 2-for-1.
Oh, I thought when you said that, you were like, you're bad at it. No, when you said that, I thought like, you're bad at it. You need to learn something.
So as you heard her say, she will be pretty much teaching them how to do their makeup by them doing it themselves. And then, yeah, Rayne is already pretty proficient in it. Rayne is the 16-year-old. Mimi's my 14-year-old, and she's the one that's getting a little help on some things. I am not the one to be able to do things like that. Just being how I was raised, you know, back in the day, you weren't allowed to wear makeup until you got older. I am choosing to let my daughters be who they are, and if they like makeup, they like makeup. If they like wigs, they like wigs. As long as they're loving themselves and they're being unauthentically themselves, then I don't mind what they're doing. As long as you're being yourself and you're not changing up for nobody, I don't care. Just as long as you live by the golden rule and do the best you can in everything that you do, we're good to go. So, and I have gorgeous dark chocolate children. I don't know if y'all know this, but they gorgeous. They are so gorgeous, and I'm not being even biased just because they're mine, but they are so gorgeous. So thank you to CHARMAINE, the Beauty Maine, for collabing with me. This is such fun because it's just learning how to become a female. To me, learning different things about being a female. So continue to enjoy the music.
Feels like it just stays the same. Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? Come over, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out there. You leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? So curious, so curious. So curious, so curious. Your friends have told me just to give you time. Weekends are passing by like everything is fine. I know this is so delusional. I have lost my grip, but I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street. Said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story with you, but I just cannot refuse you. I'm sad after this time that I'm out there. You leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I don't know, why do I even care? I don't know, why do I love you? I'm recklessly drawn to you somehow, but you leave me with this rush. Why am I so curious? If I know that it's gonna end. So curious, so curious. So curious, so
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear. Say, are you a sinner or a beginner? Yeah, let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka Collab. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, all nights, black bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. Yeah, you're playing the Beatles. You got my high school t-shirt on, it's looking so easy. You give my headphones with that song, the way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're after. Yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight. You and me and vodka Collab. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love call a lie. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I wanna is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club, but my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah, and I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend.
I want to thank y'all again so much for clicking on this video. I know this is not a regular cleaning video or anything like that. This is just us spending time with our girls with my best friend CHARMAINE, and my godson is in the back washing dishes, and the girls are learning how to do their makeup and being female. So I appreciate y'all just looking at this and If you like anything like this, just let me know. We have more things to do with makeup, and I'm so excited for this little journey with my girls because they are now starting to let me do things with them online. So I'm excited because y'all normally don't see the teens. So once again, thank you so much for clicking this video. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and click that red button down below and subscribe to us, and go ahead and like this video, and make sure you comment down below. Love you guys. Thank you so much, and next time we'll see you in 2.
Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you. Baby, don't you switch up the vibe.